Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing fine. Today we're going to make a very easy recipe of chicken lasagna. To start off, we're going to saute some onions in some olive oil till they turn translucent. Once that's done, we're going to add boneless chicken cut into small bite-sized cubes and going to fry it along with the onions and also be adding some salt. We're going to fry the chicken till it turns the color, will turn a bit whitish, and then we're going to add our blended tomatoes to the fried chicken pieces. With the tomatoes, we are going to blend some fresh garlic cloves, some salt, and also some red chili powder. You can also add some paprika, but I added red chili powder. So here we've added our tomato sauce, that tomato puree, along with some tomato ginger garlic sauce, or chili garlic sauce or tomato sauce. So we're going to let that cook, let that simmer while we are going to make our white sauce. To make our white sauce, we're going to heat some butter in a heavy bottom pan, and we'll fry or roast the flour with that butter till the flour turns a bit golden brown. We're going to keep stirring it so that the flour doesn't burn. And once we reach our desired color, we're going to add some cold milk to the roasted flour, and we're going to season it with some garlic powder, some black pepper, and also I'm going to add some freshly ground nutmeg and some mixed Italian herbs. So we're going to let it cook over low-medium heat till the sauce thickens, and then we're going to add some fresh cream or packet cream to our sauce. We're going to keep stirring it till it thickens and our sauce is ready. I'll be writing down all the ingredients in the description box below, as always. As you know, if you're my old followers, that I write down the description, all the ingredients in the description box, so you can get the recipe from there. Now our sauce is done, the red sauce, the chicken sauce, and I've added some dried basil to it, and we're going to turn off the heat. And while that was cooking, I also boiled some lasagna sheets. Just follow the package instructions and you boil your lasagna sheets, but make sure that they are not fully cooked, because the lasagna sheets are going to cook in the oven with the sauces. So if they're fully done already, they're going to turn mushy. So you're seeing that here I've taken oven-proof Pyrex dish, and I'm layering the sauce, and then on top of that I layered the lasagna sheets and going to put the sauces on top of the sheets, and we'll also be adding some mozzarella cheese on top of these sauces, and we're going to repeat the layers, and then on the final top layer we're going to put some more mozzarella cheese, as much as you like, and then we're going to be sprinkling some dried herbs on top. So then we're going to be baking this in a preheated oven for 30 minutes or till the cheese melts and turns a little golden brown color, and then your lasagna is done. I'd suggest that once it's out of the oven, let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes till you're ready to serve, because if you are going to cut it as soon as it is out of the oven, the layers are going to collapse, and your lasagna is not going to be cutting into beautiful layers. So just give it some rest time before you serve it. And that's all for now. I hope you're going to enjoy this recipe, and will be coming for more. I'll be uploading very regularly from now on. I have a few very nice recipes lined up for you guys that I'll be sharing really soon. So guys, I hope you guys are going to give my recipes a try and will leave feedback. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements along with all of my social media handles are mentioned in the description box below. Take good care of yourself and do subscribe for more if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. I'll be coming back with more really soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye.